Yeah.
We're gonna do a double launch.
What? A double?
A double launch. We're
They're
gonna launch
both
ours
the
and they're gonna
same.
launch theirs.
Yeah, and they're both the same. One's Amazon,
Yep.
one's Amazon.
Amazon, Amazon.
Everybody stand back!
You guys count down and we'll launch it together, okay?
I'll get it. I'll get it.
And except the other one doesn't have a sticker, but they're both the same.
What happened to your teeth? Did a rocket punch them out?
Yeah!
I know. I tried getting Brody to do that, but he wouldn't let me.
Okay. Becca, don't pull on it. No.
Or just pulling it out.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Push it in.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hold it down. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
Oh, my hand is awesome. All right, keep an eye on this one. This is yours. Done. Done.
Boom.
I'm done with that one over there.
Keep an eye on yours. You got it. That was a good one, Pete.
Oh, the wind picked up good on this one. They're in the tennis court and it's going way over. Right here. Come to Papa.